Hey everyone, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude back with another Jurassic World toy video. Today we'll be taking a look at my massive stash. Right now this is a mix between some new figures that I've recently acquired and some older ones that I'm holding for friends. And as you can see, it takes up a lot of space. It's really beautiful. I did a few posts on Instagram recently. You can check those out as well if you want some kind of less detailed looks into this. But right now we have the new Sarcosuchus and the new Albertosaurus figure. These are massive biters and they've been repackaged in Camp Cretaceous packaging. We also have the new Jurassic World Spinosaurus from Camp Cretaceous. These guys have hit Canada and Australia as well. And some amazing new additions to the Baryonyx toy line. These guys are really small mini dinosaurs. We've got Bumpy, Rexy, an Apatosaurus baby, and a baby Spinosaurus, along with all these new gallimimus and the new Pteranodon, which have been released in the States as well. And some older figures. We've got the 2019 Battle Damage figs. These ones are no longer on shelves here in Canada. I haven't seen them in a while. And the new Albertosaurus, well, new, it's Primal Attack. Same with these Battle Damage that came out alongside of it. These guys are also Canadian exclusives. They're only in Canada at the moment, though I haven't seen these guys in a while. Hi, Nasty. My cat. So cute. He's kind of concerned I'm blocking his favorite door, so he's going to be loitering around here. But anyways, we've also got the new extra large Baryonyx baby dinosaurs. We got the little blue one too. Finally, I found one on sale, because here in Canada we never get sales on Walmart dinosaurs, which is kind of sad. And I've also got some older figures in package that I've stashed away, the Proceratosaurus, and then some stem kits as well, and a destructasaurs set. So I'll do a video on these new Camp Cretaceous Baryonyx figures. They haven't hit the States either as well, so again, I'll be doing an unboxing video. Same with these two guys. Make sure to look for those on my channel if you haven't yet. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little preview or snapshot of upcoming videos and some figures in package, and I hope you all enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.